Assalamu alaikum my dear viewers, peace be on you. Today in this video I am going to show how we can make compost fertilizer at home in a very easy way. So let's see the process. First put some soil. I have taken soil here, and you can collect different types of vegetable peels like cucumber peels here, potato peels and egg cells and other wasted things actually what we use at home. So first of all, that take some soil into your pot like this. Yeah, then actually I have already actually make this waste vegetable peels into several pieces. So put here into your pot. Again take some soil. Again take some vegetable wastes. Okay, finally put some water into your pot, and keep the pot actually for at least 10 days, and you can plant trees actually, and it will grow better. So thank you very much for watching this video.